2 Corinthians 10 verse 12. For we dare not make ourselves the number, or compare ourselves with some that commend themselves. But they measuring themselves by themselves and comparing themselves among themselves are not wise. So that's the message of the Lord for you today. That God doesn't want you to compare yourselves to others, because that is not what God wants for you to feel, and God doesn't want you to make comparisons to other people, because your life is precious, your life is wonderful, and God is preparing good things in your life. Thanks for watching my video, and God bless you all.